Lines as models for distance, rate, and time, a la Shmoop. Alright, a train leaves from one station traveling 60 miles an hour. After 20 minutes, it passes a train leaving from another station 40 miles away from the first. So what's the name of the conductor? Well, you've probably had your fill of these distance, rate, and time problems in math classes over the years, but what in the world do they have to do with your life? Like, who takes the train anymore anyway? All right, well, good news. Even if you never set foot on a train in your life, problems like this can help you understand relationships between time, speed, and distance. And the best way for them to do that is to express them as lines on a graph, like this. All right, so yeah, we're gonna have to plot some points. Let's call our axes time and distance right here. Now we can put a point at 10:10. That is, when 10 minutes have gone by, our first train moving at 60 miles every 60 minutes has gone 10 miles. That's a mile a minute. Then at 20:20, 30:30, and so on, we plot away. Now for our second train. We now know that train number 1 went 20 miles in 20 minutes. So if the second station was 40 miles away from the first, and it arrived at the same midpoint in the same amount of time, well, then it also went 20 miles in 20 minutes, 10 miles in 10 minutes, a mile a minute using advanced calculus there. Well, it's the exact same line. Okay, so we may not know that the conductor's name is Moishe, but we've just figured out that the two trains are traveling at the same speed, simply by looking at two lines and comparing their slopes, which in this case happen to be identical. However, what we should really be concerned about is the slope that train number 1 is now approaching. Anyone know where the brakes are in this thing?
What did the buffalo say to his son as he left for school?
Bye, son. Okay, bad joke, but if you survived it, how about clicking the subscribe button below? And if you're looking for more jokes from yours truly, why not check out our website at www.shmoop.com. And if you want to get updates on what's new, well, check us out on Facebook and Twitter too. Please check our Facebook and Twitter pages, please.